Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download apps on iPhone without Apple ID password. So guys, if you're trying to download or get any app from your app store on your iPhone and it requires a password and you don't have the password, here I will show you how can you still download the apps from app store without Apple ID password. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then scroll it below and tap on general, tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on screen time, and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions, and then you have to simply turn on the toggle for content and privacy restrictions and then tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and then here you have to simply check this to don't require. So guys, here you can see you have to check under require password as don't require. Simply check it to don't require, and after this go back and now you have to go to Face ID and passcode. You have to enter your passcode for one time, and now you have to simply turn on the toggle for iTunes and App Store, and now you have to give here your Apple ID password for one time, and after this you have to tap on OK. So guys, save this information on your device and now go to your App Store and try to get any app from here. So guys, double click this button and now you can see the app is being downloaded on this iPhone. So guys, here you can see this. In this way you can also download and install apps without the Apple ID password on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.